Would you rather every time you laugh, it's a quack like a duck, or every time you sneeze, it's a moo like a cow?
Like, achoo!
No, it's, yeah, every time you sneeze.
Like, moo!
Yeah. And then if you laugh, quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
What do you think?
Quack, 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 quack.
What would you pick?
A moo sounds like a laugh, like moo. But quack, 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 quack. No.
So which one? Moo? When you sneeze?
Moo sneeze.
Yeah. I think I would pick that too because you don't sneeze that often. You laugh a lot. So that'd be less you'd have to deal with it.
Moo.
Meow. Alright, love you.
'Cause what